Welcome to Fridgesmart. Let me show you what's new.
Did you know Fridgesmart has been trading for over 40 years and was founded by the Riley family? We, the Craven family, took over Fridgesmart 18 months ago and we've been working tirelessly behind the scenes making these changes. Discover the new Fridgesmart website. Fresh branding with a brighter design. Same email, new phone number, easier navigation with our search bar and drop-down menus. Finding product details and technical information is now quicker than ever. Our trusted team in customer services, sales and marketing are one phone call away.
Furthermore, we have our own team of engineers who can be on hand for any technical inquiries. Our family and refrigeration come hand in hand, with our sons becoming the third generation of engineers after myself and their grandfather.
Our customers benefit from the convenience of our online store. In addition, we are proud to showcase our equipment in our showroom where clients can see the quality and performance of our products.
We are Fridgesmart.